Let me show you guys a secret on how to make the most juiciest baked chicken ever. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this incredible, delicious baked chicken recipe. Before I begin, if you're new here, please subscribe. Also, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let's jump right into the recipe. All right, guys, let's begin. I have a whole chicken here. Before you even start making this recipe, you need a nice sharp kitchen shears, or you might need a nice sharp knife. Okay, you need it to be nice and sharp because this can be a little bit hard if you don't have a sharp knife to cut it or shears. I am going to remove the backbone so I can allow the chicken to bake faster. Of course, you can bake this chicken as a whole, but I like to butterfly my chicken. That way it'll cook faster, okay? And it'll be more flavorful in my opinion. Now I'm going to grab a knife and just place it in the center of the breast so I can crack that bone so the chicken can be nice and flat. Now I'm going to take it to a whole nother level. I'm going to cut the chicken in halves, okay? Now this is optional, but first time doing it actually. And then this is the seasoning you will need. This is your holy grail for this recipe, okay? Onion and garlic powder, Italian seasoning, cumin, celery salt, ground black pepper, chicken bouillon, adobo, paprika. Yeah, basically this is a combo of all the seasoning you'll need. The measurement will be listed down below for you as usual. So I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on the chicken on both sides. Once I'm done, I am getting ready to season. Now, you're going to season this generously. Do not hold back thinking, oh, it's too much seasoning. No, trust me, if you want your chicken to taste exactly like mine, very flavorful, you have to just don't look back and season like there's no tomorrow. Okay, once you're done adding the seasoning on there, rub that in, and then you are going to give it a flip it over so you can season the other side. Now we're going to season the other side. Make sure to add some more oil if needed because you want the seasoning to stay on the chicken and not just fall off. I don't know if you've ever seen, it's gonna give you a roasted look instead of a baking look, okay? So make sure to add the oil on there so the seasoning can stick and you can have the seasoning stay on there. Also, as you can see, I lift up the skin of the chicken and I season underneath the skin of the thigh. Like these parts are very thick, and if you only season just the skin, baby, so make sure to lift up the skin and add the seasoning under it. It will be so flavorful every single bite. Okay, so now that I am done seasoning the chicken, you are going to grab yourself a baking dish. I am using a cast iron because it's big, it's large, so I'm going to bake it in there. You see, all the way underneath. You need all that part to be nice and seasoned, honey, because why? We eat every part of the chicken. Now I'm going to place the chicken to my cast iron. Start preheating your oven on 400. Forgot to tell you guys that. Preheating the oven on 400. Now I'm going to add some rosemary in there, even though the Italian seasoning has rosemary in it. But I like that herby taste more strong. So I'm going to just add some rosemary sprigs on there, or leaves on there. I'm going to add some melted butter on there as well. Now, this is one question that I get a lot. Did you cover it? No, I never cover my baked chicken. Never, ever, never. Okay, so do not cover it. Just let it bake for 50 minutes. It depends if your chicken is bigger, but mine, I'll leave the amount of I don't remember it by head, but I will leave that below for you. But yeah, basically, after baking, this is what you have: a nice, juicy, flavorful baked chicken that everybody will love, everybody will enjoy. Always keep your chicken nice and juicy. And if you want, you can make a nice gravy with the sauce. And there it is. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to give it a like for me if you did enjoy it, if you like it, if you're going to try it. Also, share this video with someone on Facebook you think that might like this video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.